Meteorologist Cassie Hyder here with us this morning. Was that superhero enough?
It wasn't as good as the first one.
Want me to retry?
No.
Meteorologist Cassie Hyder. Here she comes.
Yeah, so today we've been talking about the fact that we've had a WFA weather alert day,
Yes.
but we actually canceled it because the data is coming in a lot lighter. It certainly doesn't look like we're going to have any severe weather, but we could still have a storm or two.
It's kind of a WFAA weather nudge.
Yeah,
Like,
sure.
hey, be on the lookout.
I mean, you never know. There could be another one.
Yeah.
And there will be eventually.
Yeah.
But, today we are still expecting the rain to eventually move in. It certainly looks like it wants to rain outside. This is our Dallas Love Field camera. We have overcast skies, temperatures are cool, and the wind right now, it's out of the southeast between about 10 to 15 miles an hour. So it's not extremely windy by any means, but you're going to notice that wind once the cold front moves in later today. 52 degrees right now in Denton, 49 in McKinney, 46 in Greenville, 52 degrees in Waxahachie. Satellite and radar showing the heavier showers and storms that we had yesterday evening, late last night. That continues to move east away from us. In the meantime, we still have some showers around parts of the Metroplex. You can see some light rain right around Royce City, just north of Terrell, and it's all kind of moving off to the east, and it's kind of breaking apart a little bit more as it moves off to the east. So today, not a washout by any means. I'm starting our time cast at about 9 a.m. to show you still most of the rain just east of the Metroplex. The cold front still well to the north and west. At noon today, still looks fairly dry. A couple of spotty showers to the north and west around Decatur, Denton. That line starts to become a little bit more firm at around 4 o'clock, and that's when that cold front actually moves through DFW. So the coverage of rain goes up, but it doesn't last very long. Later this evening, it moves well off to the south and east. We're to be dry behind it, but the wind shifts to the north and it looks a lot colder. It's going to feel a lot colder. You're going to notice that big temperature difference by early tomorrow morning. But tomorrow morning, we're also looking at partly cloudy skies. So today, temperatures in the upper 60s. Cold front comes in later today, and we're talking about temperatures dropping 18 degrees below normal for tomorrow. On Monday, the average high drops to 61. So we're still going to be 18 degrees below normal, even though we're expecting that high of about 43 degrees. And then on Tuesday, temperatures do make it into the upper 40s. So still cold, but not as cold. Temperatures tonight dropping down into the low to mid 30s, 34 in Dallas, 34 in Denton, 32 in Decatur, and 37 in Waxahachie. But after factoring in that wind, it's going to feel more like the low to mid 20s. So you're going to have to wear those extra layers once we get into tomorrow. After that, though, it looks like temperatures will start to go up just a little bit the next few days. So today, scattered showers, a storm or two is still a possibility. Temperatures in the upper 60s. Overnight tonight, skies clear out, but we're dropping to about 34 degrees. Once we get into tomorrow afternoon, temperatures make it into the mid 40s. We're still in the low 40s on Monday. We also have that 30% coverage of light rain. Still not expecting any thunderstorms during that time, and we're going to stay well above freezing, so everything is going to be just plain rain. Now on Tuesday, we're back in the upper 40s. Santa's Helpers is going to be on Wednesday, and Wednesday is the day that temperatures will feel a little bit nicer for you. Upper 50s. We stay in the mid 50s on Thursday. That's our next chance of rain after Monday. And then the second half of that 14-day, we still have a couple of chances of rain, but temperatures do go up. We see lots of 50s and 60s, so generally it does look pretty quiet for that second week as we get into December. We also have a couple of Santa's Helpers days in there. So if you can, make sure to donate. We're actually in more need this year than ever. Matt, back to you.
Okay, thank you so much, Cassie.